departing Sunshine, Platform 1 are the 754 Flinders Street, stopping all...
Alexa, ask the green button when is the next train leaving Sunshine.
Services departing Sunshine are 11:39 heading towards Sunbury, departing Platform 2 in 6 minutes. 11:44 heading towards City, Flinders Street, departing Platform 1 in 11 minutes. 11:59 heading towards Sunbury, departing Platform 2 in 26 minutes. 12:04 heading towards City, Flinders Street, departing Platform 1 in 31 minutes. Now, which other station would you like information for? Or you could say exit.
Exit. Alexa, ask the green button chừng nào xe lửa tới Sunshine.
Services departing Sunshine are 11:39 heading towards Sunbury, departing Platform 2 in 1 hour and 1 minute. 11:44 heading towards City, Flinders Street, departing Platform 1 in 4 minutes. 11:59 heading towards Sunbury, departing Platform 2 in 19 minutes.
Alexa, alarm off. Alexa, what's on the calendar today?
You have 12 events scheduled.
Alexa, call me an Uber.
Your Uber will arrive in 2 minutes.
Alexa, what's the weather like today?
There's a 100% chance of showers.
Alexa, pair my Bluetooth speaker.
Okay, paired.
Alexa, it's time to reorder some paper towels.
Okay, order placed.
And Alexa, play my garage music.
Playing your garage playlist from Prime Music.
Alexa, play some jazz.
Playing smooth jazz from Prime Music.
Alexa, who's this?
This is Picnic Basket by Low Tone.
Alexa, turn that up.
Alexa, ask Domino's to send me my last order.
Okay, order placed.
Hey, isn't that Jason Schwartzman?
No, that's not him. I would know if that was him.
I'm pretty sure it's him.
Okay, Alexa, who stars in Mozart in the Jungle?
Stars include Malcolm McDowell, Jason Schwartzman.
Ha! See? I was right.
Alexa, change the bedroom temperature to 65 degrees.
Okay,
Alexa, lights off.
okay.
Alexa, good night.
Good night. Sleep tight.